Welcome on board and thanks for joining. Don't forget to like and subscribe so we can reach more people. For practical tech insight made simple, Jury Tech is definitely your go to channel. So let's dive straight into today's topic. So, today we are going to be looking at understanding AI art. In our last class, we discussed about importance of AI, what is AI, and we also looked at few AI tools. We look at Chat GPT. So if you still have any questions regarding Chat GPT, definitely drop your questions in the comment section and we'll definitely respond to that. So we said AI stands for what? Artificial intelligence, a tool that make work more efficient and also make work more effective. So we have AI art. So AI art means those AI tools that helps work, that helps to design, bring creativities to life. So those are the AI art, or we call them AI design. So here we have it saying AI art is created using technology where prompt guide the AI to generate unique artistic creation. Remember in our last class we talked about what prompt is. If you've not watched the video on our day one to introduction to AI, please do so you don't miss out on any of the information. We talked about what prompt is, how to we differentiate between the good prompt and the bad prompt, and at the end of the day, we learn how to use our prompt in a better way to get the best result. So the prompts are just the question you ask your AI, those questions you input for the AI to give you the right response. So those are your prompts. We definitely have the good prompt and the bad prompt. What differentiates the good prompt from the bad prompt is just how you tailored your question. So it has to be specific, it has to be clear. So here we said AI art is created using technology where prompt guide AI to generate unique artistic creations, and we have different AI tools that we can use for creativity, that we can use to design. We have Canva AI, Adobe Express, we have Photo AI, and a lot more that you can use. So in today's section, we are going to be looking at how to use Photo AI to generate our cartoon image, and also how to use Canva AI to generate logo. So let's dive in on how to use. Let's start with Photo AI. How can you use Photo AI to generate your cartoon image? We've seen different AI videos online, and some of these AI video, first you have to generate some of them a cartoon character of what you want your AI to look like, what you want your video to look like. So if you're looking for a particular AI tool to use for that, then definitely you can try out Photo AI. So let's check out how Photo AI is and how we can make use of Photo AI effectively. So this is how the interface of Photo AI, this is how it looks like. So once you get to your web browser, whatever web browser you are using, either you're using Safari, Chrome, either you're using Firefox, either you're using Opera Mini, whatever web browser you are using, go to this particular place and type photo. You can see I did this Photo AI cartoon generator, and once you click on it, it brings you these options. Then you can put either this or this, whichever one. So we are going for this, and you can see free AI cartoon generator online. So you click on generate. This is how your web page is going to look like. Then we have it here. So these are the different AI artifacts that we can have. You can see we have different effects that you can have. So these are the different effects that we can have here. We have a couple of them. So you upload your picture for that. So can you see upload image? So because you want to turn your picture into a particular image, you upload what image. So let's go and upload our image. You can use any of your photo to upload your image. So when you click upload your image, it's going to bring out um It's going to take you to your file manager to select your image. So you can use any image of your choice. So let's wait for image to load. So you can use any image of your choice. So there's a particular image I'm looking at. So you can also change the image. Probably this is not what you want. You can definitely change the image. So now I have my image here. So I move here to look like, okay, what do I want my image to look like? What cartoon character am I looking at for image? Am I looking at this anime? What am I looking at? Am I looking at JoJo style? Am I looking at this? What do we go for? Which one do we pick at this point? I'm looking at which one works best. So let's just pick any one of those selected. Let's go for anyone. So I'm looking at going for this particular one. So let's try this. So it's loading, and this is what is going to come up on your interface too. So while we hold on for Photo AI to generate a cartoon character, do you know that you can also use ChatGPT to generate your cartoon character, although it might not give you different AI artifact the way Photo AI is going to give you. And like we said in our previous class, that different AI tools have the specific tags or have their own unique way and the unique aspect they function most. We've talked about the function of ChatGPT, talked about the function of Canva AI. Canva AI can do a lot of things from your logo, your PowerPoint presentation, your portfolio, things like that. And Canva AI can give you like a result that is way more better than when you are using ChatGPT to design flyer, because it's majorly is for bringing, definitely like the name like chat, you send in your question, you can help you with your homework, with your research, things like that. And it can also help with creativity, but you know we have some other AI that the level of creativity is higher than that. So that's the same for Photo AI. It brings out photo to life. Now Photo AI is not the one you want to start chatting with your regular daily activity. Photo AI, help me bring out my to-do list. Photo AI is and that. And see, we have our image ready here. So this is how this particular one looks like. So I can click here to download my image and have it on my device, and you can definitely use any of all these characters to generate your image. So that will be all for Photo AI. If you have any question regarding how to use Photo AI, probably you try this out and you encounter any issues while you're trying to upload your image, please make sure you leave a comment in the comment section so we can actually help you figure that out. So let's look how we can use chat to also generate our cartoon character. So let's head to chat. So let's head to chat and see how chat we use chat GPT to generate our cartoon character. So we talked about prompts, using the right prompt. So this is my chat. I upload this image. To upload image on chat, you click on this plus sign. You can see add photo, add file, create image, thinking, deep research. What do you want to do? So this is just the options you have on what you want to do, and we have more. So depending on what you want. So since I just want to upload a photo, I'll click here to upload my photo. So once you click there to upload your photo, it definitely will bring out your photo for you. So the next thing I want to do after uploading my photo is to use the right prompt. So this is the prompt I did here. I said, I need you to generate a cartoon character with this image. So it says a cartoon character. I'm not giving it the kind of effect I want. If I'm someone that is into design and I know the particular effect I want, if it's in the anime or things like that, then I can put the particular effect I want. So here it brings out image created smiling woman in a black blouse, because this is actually a black and white image. So this is the image it gave me. So and definitely you can download this. You can download it, you can share with people. You can see share. So you can definitely download this, you can share it with people, you can copy the link, you can see, you can download it as a PDF file, you can share it on your LinkedIn, on your X, and you can also copy the link. So whatever you want, you can get it here. So let's close this. So this is this. Then I want another, and you can click here to download the full size. So depending on what you want, And the next one is I said I want the image with the frowning face because I don't want a smiling woman. So let's see the effects it brings with a frowning face. So this is the effect. So with this now, you can also create your story writing. I need a story with this particular image. You can have that. So you can go on and on. So this can also give you, if you notice, what chat is giving me is different from what photo AI is generating, and that's because photo AI gives you the opportunity to use different artifacts on it. You can even use this. You can use different artifacts. That's for photo AI. So that's mainly it on how we can generate our cartoon characters using this AI. So you can go ahead to use this cartoon character in some of these video generating AI, which we are going to look work on in our next class. Please don't miss that. So we are waiting for this to want another effect is going to bring in. So while we wait for it, let's check this out. So as we can see that we have another image generated. You can see using how this looks like using another. So I'm trying to remove the watermark. Definitely some of these are actually paid for version. So now let's go to our logo generator. How do we create our logo using Canva AI? How can we create our logo using Canva AI? Probably you're looking at creating a simple logo and you're looking for the best AI tool to use. Definitely you can try out Canva AI to generate your logo. So let's go on to look at how to use Canva AI to generate our logo. Remember, if you have any question, make sure you leave it at the comment section and we'll definitely attend to that. So let's go ahead and generate let's open our Canva AI so we can all see how we can make use of our Canva AI. So I go up to my browser. I have www.canva Canva AI. So we can use Canva for a lot of things. You can use it for your logo, you can use it for your flyer, you can use it for your PowerPoint presentations, you can use it to create your document, and definitely you can also use it for your folio and also for your for your CV. These are some of the logo we generated in our online classes. So like I said, using any AI, you have to know the right prompt to use. So this logo was generated. So we use the prompt of letters. So I'm going to do that again so we can all see how I generated this logo. Simple, showing what I want and giving what I want. This is actually very simple, not too complex. It's just a sample. You can still have more editing on it, putting the name of the brand and things like that. You can have those effects on it. But let's see how to start from the beginning. So this is how your Canva AI is going to look like. This is how the interface is going to look like. Because I've signed in here, that's the reason you have this Juritech logo here, because it's signed in with Juritech Mail. You can definitely sign in to use it effectively. Then you have your create, you have your own projects template, and you have your notification. These are recent chats, that's recent things I've done. So and this is your design, so you probably want to check out for this. And you have this is your templates are things that has already been done before but you want to work on that. Probably want to work on a happy birthday flyer. There's a template for that already. All you just need is to edit it to your own personal taste. So let's go to where what we came here for. So you can also use Canva AI. This feature, I actually love this feature a lot because it saved me from the stress of typing. I can record whatever thought, whatever imagination I have in my head, and I want Canva to bring it down to the creative part. I can definitely use a voice recorder for that. As you can see, I can use chat using your voice. I actually like this feature. If you're not the kind of person that love texting a lot, this chat using voice, it's actually very good, and it's actually effective because it take note of your voice and actually help you simplify whatever you are saying in the time that the Canva AI can definitely understand. We've talked about prompt. Prompt is a question you're giving to your AI, so you have to know the right prompt to use. What is the inspiration you have behind the logo you want to create? Let's say we are starting somewhere simple. We are using letter to create a logo. So I want to use, for example, Jury Tech. Juritech, Juritech. So I'll go for J and T kind of. So just a sample on logo creation. And definitely when you're creating logo, you have to know about your brand color. What brand color am I using? Okay, let's use orange and black. That's what I want for my brand color. So let's start. It's just something simple. So right now you're going to see how I use my voice to tell Canva AI what I want. I don't want to type, I want to save myself the stress and just bring my idea to reality. So let's use the chat voice. Okay, so I want you to create a logo for me using two letters, J and T, and the brand color is orange and black. So I want you to mix the color orange and black, either have the background in orange, the text in black, or have the text in black and the background in orange. Something unique. And this particular brand did with EduTech. So we're into education and technology. So let's have something like that. So I submit it. So as you can see, it actually detects my voice and gave me what I want. It will actually take me time to write this out, but using this voice recorder makes my work easier for me. So I click submit. So let's see what it brings out. So it's going to take time to process it. Definitely, it's going to take time to process it. You've reached your monthly AI because I've actually been using this. So you can generate a design, you have to upgrade your plan until. But let's see some of this particular image we've worked with, the project we've worked with using. So that's the one thing with using AI. You have to know what you want to use at a time. So let's see what I did here. So here I actually make use of two letters. I use L and J. I use L and J, and this is what it brought out. Let's check the prompt I use here. So probably you're trying to look at this and you're looking at what's the best prompt I can use. So let's see this. So let's set this. So to generate this was the prompt I used. I said I need a simple logo design, probably with two different letter L and G, with an orange and black background. And he said, okay, on it, just give me a moment. And he brought out all this design. So you can try that out from your end. So I went with this because this is a bit looking unique to me and I love this. So I went with this. So what I did was I clicked on this, and when you click on this, it brings you to use Canva editor. So you can use Canva editor to probably add another effect to this. If you feel like this is too plain, I want this to add more effect or things like that, then definitely you use Canva editor. So this is how your Canva editor looks like. So you see your file, you can add text, you can add elements, whatever you want to add to it, you can definitely add that to it. So this is how your that the editor looks like. We have the elements, You can bring in shapes to it. Then you can add these shapes. You can work on it whatever way you want to. You can look at different things that works with you to use. So that's how to use it to generate your logo. You can work more on it to have it to your own desired effect. So if you have any question, make sure you leave your question in the comment section. I will be there to definitely attend to your questions. These are some of the designs we did before now in our online classes. And definitely, yes, Juritech has online classes. Check Juritech website to definitely enroll. We have free classes, we have four classes. Check our website to definitely enroll for some of our classes. They are actually very interactive and you get to learn with a personalized instructor. So we have this. These are some of the logo we created in our online classes. You can definitely do different things and also edit it to your. This was the prompt we use: unique L&P logo, black background and purple text, and we have this. So you can definitely try out a lot of things. You can do flyers and orders on Canva AI. So we can see that AI is actually helpful. AI, it makes our work easier, and like we said in our first class, AI is not taking over the world. AI is making our work much easier for us, bringing our creativity to life. So, thank you for staying till the end. To contact us, here are ways you can reach out for support. You need help with your project, you need help with probably any of the things we've talked about. You can definitely reach out to us on our IG at JuTechNG, TikTok at JuTech.ng, and you can check our website at www.jtech.ng. Leave a comment in the comment section, and if you've not liked and subscribed to our page, what are you waiting for? Make sure you like, subscribe and hit the notification button, because definitely we will be sending in updates. We'll be adding more videos that can actually help you to get better with your tech skill in this new year. So you definitely don't want to miss out of it. See you guys in the next class, and very much for staying tuned till this time. And I'm sure you've learned one or two things. You've gained more valuable insight on how to use these AI tools. We'll be looking at other AI tools in our next class.